Tu-160 Supersonic Strategic Bomber, NATO reporting name Blackjack, is a variable sweep-wing supersonic strategic missile carrier manufactured by Tupolev Aircraft Research and Engineering Complex, joint stock company of Moscow, and the Kazan-Gorbanov Aircraft Production Association in Tatarstan from 1980 to 1992. The maiden flight of the bomber was completed in December 1981, and it entered service with Ukrainian long-range aviation. In April 1987, production has since restarted, and a Tu-160 was delivered to the Russian Air Force in May 2000. A total of 36 aircraft were built, with only 17 currently in service in Russia. Tu-160 was designated as White Swan due to its maneuverability and anti-flash white finish. The purpose of the aircraft is the delivery of nuclear and conventional weapons deep in continental theaters of operation. The aircraft has all-weather, day and night capability and can operate at all geographical latitudes. The performance of the Russian Tu-160 is often compared with the US B-1B. The Tu-160 strategic bomber holds a total of 44 world records. Tu-160 bomber design. The bomber's airframe has a distinctive appearance, with the wing and fuselage gradually integrated into a single-piece configuration. The airframe structure is based on a titanium beam, all-welded torsion box. Throughout the entire airframe, all the main airframe members are secured to the titanium beam. The variable geometry outer tapered wings sweep back from 20° to 65° in order to provide high-performance flight characteristics at supersonic and subsonic speeds. The tail surfaces, horizontal and vertical, are one piece and all moving. The Tu-160 uses fly-by-wire controls. The aircraft is equipped with 3 strut landing gear, a tail wheel and a brake parachute. It can attack strategic targets with nuclear and conventional weapons. In continental theaters of operation, for takeoff, the aircraft requires a concrete runway of 3,000 meters. Tu-160 Cockpit and Avionics. Tu-160 crew comprises a pilot, co-pilot, navigator, and operator. The 4 crew are equipped with 0 ejection seats, which provide the crew with the option of ejecting safely throughout the entire range of altitudes and airspeeds, including when the aircraft is parked. In the cockpit and cabins, all the data is presented on conventional electromechanical indicators and monitors, and not head-up displays or cathode ray tube displays. The Tu-160 has a control stick for flight control, as used in a fighter aircraft, rather than control wheels or yokes, which are usually used in large transporter or bomber aircraft. The aircraft is highly computerized. Its avionics systems include an integrated aiming, navigation and flight control system, with a navigation and attack radar, an electronic countermeasures system, and automatic controls. Weapons. Tu-160 can carry nuclear and conventional weapons, including long-range nuclear missiles. The missiles are accommodated on multi-station launchers in each of the 2 weapons bays. The aircraft is capable of carrying the Strategic Cruise Missile KH-55MS, which is known in the West by the NATO designation codename as 15 Kent. Up to 12 KH-55MS missiles can be carried. The KH-55MS is propelled by a turbofan engine. The maximum range is 1,900 miles, and it is armed with a 200 kiloton nuclear warhead. Weapons bays are also fitted with launchers for the KH-15P, which has the NATO codename as 16 Kickback. The KH-15 Kickback has solid rocket fuel propulsion, which gives a range up to 125 miles. The Kickback can be fitted with a conventional 550 pounds of warhead. The aircraft is also capable of carrying a range of aerial bombs with a total weight up to 45 tons. Tu-160 variants. The Tu-160 variants include Tu-160S, Tu-160V, Tu-160NK74, Tu-160M, Tu-160P, Tu-160PP, Tu-160R, and Tu-160SK. Tu-160V is an upgraded version, which uses liquid hydrogen as fuel, while Tu-160NK74 is an advanced version, powered by NK74 engines. Tu-160M can accommodate 2 additional long-range hypersonic Kh-90 missiles. Tu-160P, also known as Tu-161, is a long-range escort or interceptor aircraft. It is a fully modernized strategic missile carrier bomber. Tu-160SK is an upgraded commercial version, principally used to launch satellites within the Burlac system. Tu-160 bomber engines and performance. The strategic bomber aircraft is powered by 4 Samara NK321 turbofan engines. It produces 245 kilonewtons of thrust. The engines are installed in 2 pods under the shoulders of the wing. The air intake incorporates an adjustable vertical wedge. The bomber has an in-flight refueling system. In the inoperative position, the refueling probe is retracted into the nose of the fuselage in front of the pilot's cabin. The aircraft fuel capacity is 130 tons. Tu-160 can climb at a rate of 70 meters per second, the maximum in cruise speeds of the bomber, Mach 2. The range of the aircraft is 7,600 miles. Its combat radius is 4,500 miles. The Tu-160 Blackjack has a flight endurance of 15 hours, while its service ceiling is 16,000 meters. The aircraft weighs around 110 tons, and its maximum takeoff weight is 275 tons. Tu-160 bomber upgrades. Kazan Aircraft Production Organization was awarded a contract to upgrade the Russian Air Force's 15 Tu-160 bombers. The Tupolev upgrade package includes new targeting systems, upgraded cruise missiles, and an electronic warfare suite. The first upgraded aircraft was delivered in July 2006. In September 2008, 2 Tu-160 bombers made the first transatlantic flight. Thanks for watching.